today is a beautiful day. A day which everyone will be loving. And honestly, I love this beautiful day today. So I'm going to be making pear and plum juice today. Alright? So this is some pear which I have, and they are simple, little bit ripe, perfectly ripe the way I want it. I'm gonna put quarter of a ginger lemon inside of it. And this is some plum. I love my plum. I just put them in straight inside of it because when you have a good blender, you don't have to worry yourself. A nice lovely piece of a ginger. Nice lovely piece of lemon. I'm using roughly about half of a lemon. And I'm going to put some syrup inside of it, roughly about 4 tablespoons of syrup. And some water, roughly about 3 cups of water. And now we're just gonna just blend it for about 2 to 3 seconds. Nice one. So all you need to do now is run it through your strainer. You know what I mean? I normally take already 5. Nice one. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, I just simple finish strain it out. I'm just gonna simply pour some liquid inside of it, just like this. Nice one. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Beautiful one. Please enjoy it, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes coming and a lot more ideas from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I will definitely see you in the kitchen with more recipe. See you next time. Bye-bye.